Kia has just pulled the covers off its next big electric bet for India, the Syros EV. Ahead of its official launch on July 23, Kia has opened bookings for a token amount of 25,000 rupees, and the spec sheet already reads like a segment topper, up to 526 kilometers of range, 126 kilowatts of peak power, and a DC fast charge time of just 39 minutes. This is Kia's most affordable electric SUV yet for India, built on the same platform as the popular Syros Petrol, but with a proper electric heart. In the next few minutes, we break down the design, the powertrain, all 7 variants, and what this could cost when it finally goes on sale. Let's start with how it looks, because the Syros EV doesn't try to hide its SUV roots. It gets Kia's signature digital tiger face up front, flanked by Star Map LED daytime running lights, Ice Cube LED headlamps, and LED fog lamps. At the back, Star Map LED combination tail lamps tie the design together. Depending on variant, you get crystal-cut, dual-tone alloy wheels, 16-inch on standard range trims, stepping up to 17-inch on extended range variants. Other touches include a shark fin antenna with an integrated spoiler, glossy black roof rails, and streamlined door handles. Buyers get 9 monotone body colors to choose from, including an exclusive matte graphite reserved for the top-spec X-Line. Step inside, and the Syros EV leans hard into tech. The centerpiece is a 30-inch wide Trinity panoramic display panel combining the instrument cluster and infotainment into one sweeping screen, alongside a smaller 5-inch touch panel for climate control. You get a column-type shift-by-wire gear selector, paddle shifters for regenerative braking through iPedal, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and fully automatic temperature control. Higher trims add a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, 64-color ambient mood lighting with LED footwell lamps, and a floating center console with a sliding cover and retractable cup holders. Seat upholstery ranges from cloud blue and grey semi-leatherette on most trims to premium onyx black leatherette on the top 2 variants. Under the floor, Kia offers 2 battery options. The standard range trims get a 42 kWh liquid-cooled lithium-ion pack, good for an ARAI-certified range of 443 km, paired with a motor producing 99 kW or 135 PS. Step up to extended range trims, and you get a 51.4 kWh pack stretching range to 526 km, a number Kia claims is best in class, with peak power climbing to 126 kW or 171 PS. Both motors produce 255 Nm of torque, and on the bigger battery, Kia claims a 0 to 100 km/h sprint of 8.1 seconds, genuinely quick for this segment. Here's how that splits across the lineup. HTK, HTK Plus, and HTX are the standard range trims, all running the 42 kWh battery on 16-inch wheels. From HTK Plus ER upward, through HTX ER, HTX Plus ER, to the range-topping X-Line ER, you get the 51.4 kWh extended range pack, 17-inch wheels, and the full 171 PS output. In short, a plain badge means the smaller battery, anything with ER after the name means the bigger one with extended range. Charging is where Kia is making its big claim, best-in-class 10 to 80% DC fast charging in just 39 minutes on a 100 kW charger. At home or at work, extended range variants support an 11 kW AC charger for a 4-hour 50-minute full charge, while standard range trims manage it in 4 hours flat. Don't have 3-phase power? A 7.4 kW wall box charger gets extended range models to full in about 7 hours 15 minutes. Kia backs all this with its K-Charge ecosystem, over 20,000 charging points nationwide across 23 charge point operators, accessible through the MyKia app, plus a built-in EV route planner that maps charging stops automatically on longer drives. On safety, Kia is leading with what it calls a 25-point high safety package spread across the range, covering 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, a tire pressure monitor, rollover sensors, and ISO fixed child seat anchors. But the real headline sits at the top. The X-Line ER alone gets level to ADAS with 16 autonomous safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping and lane following assist, smart cruise control with stop and go, and a 360-degree camera with a blind view monitor in the cluster. If advanced driver assistance matters to you, it's locked to this single top variant. Connectivity is handled by Kia Connect 2.0, offering over 95 connected features: remote engine start, air conditioning control, live vehicle tracking, geofencing alerts, and remote battery conditioning, complimentary for the first 3 years. The X-Line ER goes further still, with a digital key that unlocks and starts the car from your phone, and internal vehicle to load, letting you power external devices from the car's battery. There's also a smart dashcam with dual cameras and a companion app, available from the HTX Plus ER trim upward. Now for the full feature walk. HTK and HTK Plus are near identical, focused on essentials: LED lighting, a 12.3-inch HD touchscreen and matching digital cluster, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a 4-speaker sound system. HTX adds real comfort: a dual-pane sunroof, cruise control, a rear camera, and rear seat slide and recline. The extended range trims bring the bigger battery. HTX ER layers on Kia Connect, and HTX Plus ER is a loaded luxury pick with leatherette seats, ventilated front and rear seats, a Harman Kardon 8-speaker system, and a dash cam. X-Line ER sits alone at the top with ADAS, ambient lighting, a digital key, and vehicle to load, the only variant with all of it. Kia is also leaning hard into ownership peace of mind. Every Syros EV gets a 3-year, unlimited kilometer standard warranty, extendable up to 5 years, and, the headline claim, a lifetime warranty on the high-voltage battery for the first owner, dropping to 8 years or 160,000 kilometers for a second owner. There's also a battery-as-a-service option that splits your loan between car and battery to lower the upfront cost, an assured buyback program, and Kia's live video consultation and doorstep support. It's a package built to ease first-time EV buyers past range and resale anxiety. Now, the question everyone's actually asking: what will it cost? Kia hasn't announced official prices yet. That's expected at the July 23rd launch. But early reports and analyst estimates put the Syros EV somewhere between 14 and 20 lakh rupees ex-showroom, depending on variant. If that holds, it lands well above the Tata Punch EV, which starts under 10 lakh rupees, and closer to higher trims of the Tata Nexon EV and the upcoming Mahindra XUV3 XO EV. Kia's pitch is clear: more range, more power, and a longer feature list than most rivals in this bracket. The question is whether the final price tag backs that up. So that's the Kia Syros EV, a genuinely loaded electric SUV on paper, with 7 variants, 2 batteries, and a feature list that punches above typical segment expectations. Bookings are open now for 25,000 rupees, with full prices and deliveries confirmed at launch on July 23rd. Which variant would you go for? A value-focused HTX, or the fully loaded X-Line ER for the tech and ADAS? Let me know in the comments, and if this helped, hit subscribe. I'll be back with the full price reveal the moment Kia drops it.